Can I give you a button to get your lint out? Let me see your chest.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Come on. Honk. Honk.
Put your button to it, Emma.
You're so funny. Okay, say, okay, I'm done.
Okay, I don't.
No, face her the other way.
She can't honk that way.
Oh!
That'll be a YouTube-worthy video.
Yeah, she's just going to eat the steering wheel.
Fuck.
Come on, honk it. There, now honk it. Honk. Honk. Okay, Nathan, come get her. She weighs a ton. Yeah, you weigh a ton. Fat ass.
Who's eating brown swagger?
Grandma.
That's gross.
Stop eating the steering wheel. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Go ahead.
You gonna stop?